Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best possible example of a call to action. I'm going to give you the different elements that are optimal for a call to action. And more importantly, it's going to help you improve conversion rates when you create a landing page. For all the beginners out there, a conversion rate is very simple. Imagine you send 100 web visitors to your website. And out of those 100, 3 people opt in or buy. In that case, you have a 3% conversion rate, right? Because it's 3 out of 100. Your goal is to increase your conversion rate as much as possible. I'm going to show you how to create a call to action that is literally the best style on the internet. So you're looking at it, okay? The best style is image on the left-hand side. If you're attracting English speakers. Speakers read from left to right. So human beings are naturally trained to look from left to right more often. So you want to have your image of your product, whatever it is. It could be an ebook. It could be a physical book. It could be a physical product, right? Something in e-commerce. It could be a coaching program. It could be whatever it might be. If it's consulting, have an image that's related to it. It could be an image of yourself. It could be, whatever the case may be. But image on the left, and then on the right, you want to have a headline, okay, which is typically the name of the product. Right under it, the price, and then right under that, if it's cancel anytime, or if it's paid monthly, or if it's even one-time payment. You write that down. And then after that, 3 icon sections with text and a headline and an icon. And then finally, the actual call to action. So in this case, the call to action is an order now button because it's a product. But for you, it might be a newsletter opt-in. I'll show you how to do both. So for example, okay, this is obviously the order now button. You could see from the link standpoint, it should be linked to the newsletter, which I'll just give you an example. So this button is, not the newsletter, the checkout. So this button is linked to the checkout. This is an example here. So all I'll have to do is take this button, hit copy, scroll all the way down, delete the current button, okay, go to whatever's copied and just simply drag and drop it. And there we go. Once it's clicked, it should take us to a pop-up for checkout. So I'll go ahead and website preview. I'll scroll all the way down of my landing page, hit the order now, and there we go. We have the checkout. Now, the reason why the checkout doesn't have Stripe or PayPal or whatever the case may be is because I haven't connected it, because this is an example of a demo. So if you want, you go here, connect a payment processor, hit add another, and then select your payment processor. Right? So there's many: Mercado Page, TwistPay, PayFast, PayStack, MobilePay, Afterpay, Klarna, Stripe, PayPal, Braintree. I mean, you name it, right? So that's the case there. So let's go ahead and show you how it would look if it was an opt-in. If it was an email opt-in, you can set it up just like this and take this order now button, delete it, and go over here. And actually, you know what? What's even easier, you can hit add block here. And what I would do is I can look here for, let's say, call to action, right? There's many call to actions. And I would actually look for an email call to action. So any one of these, if you like have an example of an email opt-in, and by the way, you can use these call to actions as well. I just found what I like the best, which is what I'm showing you on the screen. But anyways, let's say this is an email opt-in call to action. Okay, I'm just going to take this element, this form, I'll hit copy, and I'll drag it right here under this section, right? So I'll go over here and paste, boom. And what I'll do is obviously make it look attractive for the given block. So what I'll do is I'll go over here, I'll hit edit, I'll make my labels and fields, I'll kind of edit them. So the font size, I'll leave, the way it is. I'll just simply switch out the font to Oswald. Let me go here to button. I'll change the text style also to Oswald. I'll change the button color to match the given segment right here. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create an opt-in, right? And obviously, you hit edit settings. You want to connect it to your email. So send email notification. You want to see who signs up every single time they enter their email. And then you connect it to an email marketing list. So you want to add a list. and the list should go into automations. So you click here, automations, and then they'll be automatically emailed every single day or every month or every week, depending on what you set up here. But this is the best way to set up a call to action, in my opinion, from all that I've seen, creating a whole bunch of different landing pages and such. And once again, a call to action is to help customers, right? Or really viewers become customers or become leads. And we've said this in the 2-hour free course. We've said this in past videos. I highly encourage you to click on the link in the description, watch the full playlist of all the videos. We went over this multiple times. The purpose of a landing page is to convert visitors into customers or convert visitors into leads, and then by the end, turn leads into customers. So at the end of the day, you want people to buy from you. You want to make money. You want to be successful. You want to earn some income. An easy way to do that, create a landing page, but have a phenomenal call to action. And this is definitely a phenomenal format for a call to action. Something I did not say is how to create these icon sections. I'll just show you here. By the way, you can watch the full 2-hour course. It's for free. Link will be in the description. You can watch it. But this is how it works. You hit the plus icon section, you drag and drop. Okay? You pick the icon you want. You type in the text that you want here. So whatever. By the way, you don't necessarily have to type it. You can have the AI do that for you. Here is some more text that you can have the AI generate for you as well. So for example, if I tell it, write a sales pitch on how or write a sales pitch for this weight loss supplement called the Fat Burner, something like that. And notice how I even spelled stuff wrong. Doesn't matter. I'll hit submit and it will produce that for me right here in literally a second, right? So that's what's good about this AI stuff is that, a few clicks, job gets done, easy to build. Pretty much this whole entire page was written with AI. If you want to see more videos, like I said, I'll leave the links in the description. Hopefully you enjoyed this call to action video. And if you have more requests, leave them in the comments down below. I'm happy to handle all the requests, help you guys out. And by the way, if you want to build your website just like this, go to Rocket Web Builder, okay? Look for the different templates. We have the fitness coaching sales page template, obviously, and you can go ahead and click on it, view it. You get access to all of this. You can edit it yourself, sell your own products on there, but I think you're going to love it, all right? I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching, and peace out. Bye.